2024. Fleer Retro Looney Tunes 3 box, PRC number 22. Ah, John, I knew someone was going to say something like that. Ah. Cute but mean. I hear her in real life is a very kind person. Nope, Sponge said, I second that. Sponge was the guy at the corner of the bar that did a cheers, you know, I mean, silent cheers and agreeance. I would choose a snake, or the snake bite any day. It's like, I know you said it's not like a crazy, or it's not like a venom. I mean, every snake has venom, right? It's just there's the snakes that have the venom that will kill you, and there's the snakes that have the venom that won't. Like when you say a snake's venomous, it's just a deadly venom. I don't know jack about snakes. I'm just in my head. I imagine every snake's got some form of venom. Somebody please tell me if I am wrong and stupid, because I'm very open to accepting that fact. Ellis said no. So there really are snakes that just don't have a little bit of help with their bite. Yeah, that Sam Sheepdog, man. Can't be sleeping on no Sam Sheepdog, you know what I'm saying? Just the base snakes don't have venom. This whole time in my head, I thought like it was kind of like a normal snake would have, like kind of like what bees have. Because like bees have venom in them. Is it a factual statement to say that a bee is venomous? That is a Sylvester Jr. on the Platinum Portrait. It's adorable. No, most snakes are just straight up non-venomous. Snakes. Why'd it have to be snakes? Said 15 on Gossamer. Let me see if he's still there. Go ahead and send for that, Kid Rock. Yeah, no, I'm curious about it. I know nothing about it. And I've intentionally stayed away from finding out anything about the movie. Because whenever I'm like super curious about a movie, I avoid every form of reviews, every form of trailers, every form of everything. Like I want to go into the movie not knowing anything about it. I want it to be a true surprise, you know what I'm saying? We got the scent. Thank you, Kid Rock. Blue gonna be surprised? Oh, Music's brother, you keep on just blurting out facts about the movie and I'm gonna be no surprise anymore. What do we got left? Claudette, Elmer, Granny. Granny's a hitter, she hits. Granny's a hitter, she hits. Damn. About to time myself out of the pop room for 3 hours. Self-timeout. Self-timeout. Ugh. Said how much for Granny? Let me make sure she's still there. Oh, somebody grabbed Claudette. I can do 15 on Granny. Wait, why didn't Gossamer go through? Oh, this didn't refresh. I can do 15 on Granny. About to make me look goofy because since she hits. Dupree is off. The only one left is Elmer if you're taking this, Mr. Roofer. Spots for NFS, all of them? Or just Granny? Oh, for the last two? I can do 36 for the kill on both of them. I'll just round down to 35 for you. There, I got both under NFS. Let me know what you send, Mr. Roofer. I'm going to go ahead. We're going to get 23 live in the store, get this sheet printed, and we'll start going. Just going to Cali tomorrow watching a Lakers game. I've been seeing all over my Twitter, or I think it's actually been Instagram, clips from the One Piece collab and some of the animations they put on and stuff, man. If the stuff's still there, I think it's a cool thing to pick up. You know what I'm saying? I gotta sneeze. I'd like it to stop being windy in Vegas. I'd like my body to not think I'm under attack. I think it's worth it for the ask. Alright, I see it, Mr. Roofa. Oh, I thought I did. And then it refreshed all weird. That was wonky. Oh, I see it right there under NFS. Thank you, Mr. Roofer. Thank you, NFS. Good luck to both of you. Drink some water real quick. Good luck, folks. And we're off. Miss Prissy on the Z-Force. There's Elmer Fudd. Meep. Red PMG, red PMG, red PMG. Is that Tail? Wile Coyote. Wile E. Coyote. Going out to Rick the Ripper. Oh no, I was right. That has to be Ralph. The red nose. I never trusted myself. Maybe I should have. That is Ralph on the Sam Sheepdog. That's Ralph's nose. I didn't drink the water right or something. These allergies need to stop, man. No, I'm dying. Oh man, Charlie Dog. Charlie Dog, going to sponge on a Ruby. What in the world? Where'd my voice go? No, I'm not sick. It's just straight up. You guys should have seen the wind today. Like, you could see the pollen flying off of the trees. It's too much. It's too much. But the coughing was stupid. That was just me choking on water. Like, very honestly, I'm just choking on water over here. Here we go. I'm okay now. I got Speedy Gonzalez. What does everyone say? Wrong pipe? Pork and a pig. Another Gossamer. Seeing a lot of Gossamer so far. 86. We love the 86. Hector, the Bulldog. That one's going out to Coda with the nice 86. We love them. We love them. There we got Yosemite Sam on the EX and Beaky the Buzzard. Beaky the Buzzard. I just didn't realize there's that much pollen in the air until today. My goodness. Gossamer. There we got Ralph Wolf. Like I said, I'm going to the pharmacy or something tomorrow to pick up some antihistamine, some nasal spray. Make sure I'm good to go, because spring is here. I wasn't ready for it, and it's here now, so I need to prep accordingly. Daffy Duck. There's Elmer Fudd on the middle. There we got Doe for the Dodo. Big Buzzard. And there's Witch Hazel. Yeah, it's not a fun feeling. Box number 2, Good Lauk. Good Lauk, Good Lauk. Playboy Penguin on the Z-Force. Egbert, Little Eggy. Merry Melodies, Always While I Work. There's Egbert again. All Stars of Rant. Dap Dap. Now we got Tweety Bird. Tweety Bird. Love Bugs on the premium. Queen Tyranny. Claudette Dupree. More Bogues. More Bogues. Ooh, Tina Russo on the Z-Force. We'll get the number. That's out of 150, right? Yep, 11 out of 150 for Tina Russo. Let's go into the combo spot. That is TJK. Yeah! Granny. Last of the handful here for box number 2. Good luck, folks. Marvin the Martian. More Granny. Thrill Seekers. Thrill Seekers, Thrill Seekers. That's got to be, I think, my favorite one. Daffy. With the stunt attire right there. Who's got Daffy Duck? That's the Brad on the Thrill Seekers. That's a cool one. The Evil Knievel looking gear. Why are these just flying out now? 96 out of 100. Tore the Bull. Holy crap. Went like 4 cases without seeing a single one of these. And I was like, man, I missed the platinum medallions. Now we're just seeing these like flat or nothing. Tore the Bull. That combo spot popping off right now for TJK. Yeah. Never got Witch Hazel. Ultra of Taz. Elmer Fudd looking at that plunger. Marvin the Martian. This one on a platinum medallion would be sick, man. That'd be a sick one. Elmer, he's not too happy about something. And we got the last box right here. We're gonna do some sleeving and casing right now, and then we'll get into the last of the 3-box break. Hector the Bulldog.
Yeah, but I got them before, like mine. Yeah, I need them on mine.
Here we go. Almost there, almost there. And we're off. Box number 3, Barnyard Dog on the Ultra. Gossamer, goodness, every time I see this card, this is like one of the rare cases. I do like the base Ultra better than I like the way the medallion looks. Just a good looking card. Oh, who's got Wiley? Who's got Wiley? Rick. With the ACME advantage. The giant rubber band. Love these inserts. Absolutely love them. There's that Dauk. We got a pink. That's of Cecil Turtle. That one's going out to Sponge for the Cecil. Another pink. That one's of Sylvester. Going out to BC. Both pinks number to 3. Hundo. That was 19 on the Sylvester. Polka Pig. Then we got Mark Anthony and Pussyfoot. Second half of box number 3 underway. Demand Funk is a buyer on the ACME. Tina, Z-Force. Merry Melodies, Break My Ankles, Bugs Bunny Rides Again. All Stars, Foghorn. Daffy Duck on the EX. Elmer, not happy. Foghorn. There's Witch Hazel. Last handful right here. Got a premium of Lola, Bunny, Witch Hazel in the back. And that will be that 3-boxer. We're going to do some final sleeving and casing with the recap here in a second. My goodness. PMGN, the Platinum Medallion. PMGN, the Platinum Medallion. We're halfway through the case. There's got to be another absolute banger hiding in there. We haven't seen any blue PMGs yet. We haven't seen any, not orange, any Hubba Bubba's chewing gum. What am I trying to say? Any green. I couldn't remember the name for the color green. I remembered green in Korean before I remembered what it was in English. Here we go. We got some Merry Melodies. These are all going out to Juji. We got a beautiful Thrill Seekers here of Daffy Duck on the lenticular. Hector the Bulldog on the 86. ACME. Wile E. Coyote's Giant Rubber Band. We got 2 of the pinks numbered to 3. Hundo, Cecil Turtle, and Sylvester. Tina Russo numbered 11 out of 150. Charlotte Dog, that's 44 out of 150. We got Wile E. Coyote on the PMG. Yeah! And then there's Toro the Bull on the Ultra. This one was numbered 96 out of 100. Not bad case so far. Not a bad case. That was 2024 Fleer Retro Looney Tunes. 3 box. Pick your character number 2 and 2. 2 and 20. Or is it 20 and 2? It's 2 and 20. I'm trying to remember how they talk at Game of Thrones.